Welcome to MemberOwls. MemberOwls is world's first AI-assisted membership website creation platform where all the memberships that you create are web hosted on the cloud and you don't need a hosting or a domain. Of course, you can add your own domains to each of these sites that you create. Now, it's pretty simple to use. Once you log in, you click on Create New Site, where you generate an idea if you don't know what kind of membership sites you can create for your niche, or you can start from scratch using just a keyword. So let's generate an idea. Click on Get AI Recommendation. And what AI will do is it's going to research and figure out what kind of product and services and what kind of content customers out there in your niche are looking to pay a monthly fee for. And it'll give you about 5 recommendations out of them. These are certain categories and topics that people out there are willing to, number one, pay a monthly fee, and number two, there's so much content that you can provide: coaching, courses, consultation, training, that you can provide every single month without a lot of effort, to make sure that when your customers pay you every month, you're able to offer services. You can pick from any of these ideas by clicking on the copy button and then click on Create Site. If you don't like any of these, you can just start from scratch as well. So let's click on Create Site. Here, you're gonna give your site a name. You're gonna give it a title, which could be same. You can add SEO keywords. Here, you can pick your subdomain. Now, you can create a subdomain in the settings tab that I'll show you in a minute. Now, you can either have it as realestate.memberowls.com, staging.memberowls.com, whatever you want. You can add a description to your membership site and then click on Continue. You can of course use your own domain as well. Over here, you can select the layout for content page of your membership site where your content will be displayed. Now remember, this is not how your website will look, but this is how your content page for your members will look. You select any of these and then you can customize it whichever way you want. You can add a logo, you can add a favicon, you can change the font family and print from hundreds of different fonts we have. You can change the theme color, you can add a pattern, you can save whenever you're done. And once you're done, next step is to create membership levels. Now, you can create a membership level by clicking on Add New, and you can give it a name, how much this specific level will cost. You can choose a coupon if you've created. You can pick from multiple different payment processors that you've selected. You can add email content, you can add badges, you can add rewards. You can either allow reviews or not allow reviews. You can allow reviews based on stars or comments or both. Now, membership level essentially means for X amount of money, somebody will get access to this specific course. I'll show you how that works in a minute. Once you're done that, you can create multiple membership levels, and then you head over to Create Funnels. When you click on Create Funnels, you give it a name. From here, you can pick from lots of different ready-made, done for you, professionally created funnels that we have created for you, and all of them are fully customizable, right? Let's say we pick one of this funnel. So if I click on this, each funnel has 6 pages in it: a home page, which is going to be a generic website; a sales page, which is going to be a long form sales page if you want to use; a pre-sale page where you can send your pre-selling traffic to warm up, to get subscribers excited about your offer; an upsell page, a downsell page, and a thank you page. And you can edit any of these pages as you like. Now you get access to what you see is what you get editor. You can customize everything as you want. You can change the text, the button, the property, move things around, add more blocks. Tons of more blocks are added for each template, and customize your landing page, your pre-launch page, your upsell, downsell page as you want. And once you're done, you simply click on Save and Publish. And once you're done with your funnel, your site is ready. You can go back and start to preview all the pages. You can edit these pages again, update them whatever way you prefer, and then you can go back to your site and preview it. Now let me show you how you can add content and what kind of content you can add in your membership site. So if you go here again, back to the membership level, you created one membership level. Now this level is, for example, a course that you're selling. So if you created a membership site, you can have course 1, course 2, course 3. For example, your membership site is about digital marketing. You can have TikTok marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, and so on and so forth. You can create multiple of these. Now, let's say we created this TikTok marketing course. Inside the module, we can add multiple weeks will include multiple content. So let's say if I create week 1, you can of course call it whatever you want, and I click on add, edit. I can rename it, add whatever I want. I can add multiple videos, I can add multiple audios, I can add multiple downloadable zip, I can add multiple worksheets. Worksheet essentially are questions that you can type in and pick what kind of question will it be, and based on that you can create a quiz to make sure your audience and your viewers followed your training. And then you can decide whether you want to be offering this as a straightaway access, as a drip feed access, or you will lock it based on an action that this week or this module will only be unlocked once this other module has been washed and completed, right? That way you can add content to your membership site as much as you want, and you can create multiple weeks, multiple different categories of content. One could be video courses, the other content could be just PDFs, the third could be downloadable files, fourth could be just quizzes. You have full flexibility of how you want to do it. Now, MemberOwls comes with tons of integrations that you can add. You can use coupons and badges as well. You can integrate all your autoresponders, tons of payment processors, and we're adding more. You can also include badges as a reward system for your members and assign a certain value based on how much they have gone through your membership site. You can award them certain awards and make it more interactive. So this is how MemberOwls works, and it's super easy to create a membership site. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support and we'll be happy to help you.